Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to opt out of Meta AI on Instagram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Instagram application. Launch the app as you normally would. Step 2. Tap on your profile image. You'll find this at the bottom right corner of your screen. Step 3. Click the menu icon at the top right-hand corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Step 4. Scroll down and click on About. This will take you to a page with more options about your account. Step 5. Tap on Privacy Policy. You'll find this option under the About section. Step 6. In the search bar at the top, type Meta AI. This will help you find the related policy quickly. Step 7. Allow the search to complete. Wait for the results to appear. Step 8. Click on the result that displays information about Meta AI. This should be the one that talks about how your data is used by AI systems. Step 9. Tap Request the form. This will allow you to make a formal request to opt out. Step 10. Review the information in the form. Take a moment to carefully read through everything. Step 11. Scroll down and choose the option, I have a concern about my personal information from third parties related to a response I received from an AI at MetaModel feature or experience. This will ensure your request is linked to the AI. Step 12. Select your country by clicking on the country area. This is important because the process may vary based on your location. Step 13. Enter your details and add the relevant prompt. Fill in the required information and let them know your specific concern. Step 14. Attach any required screenshots. If you have evidence or images that support your request, add them here. Step 15. Hit Send to complete the process. Once you do this, your request will be sent to Meta. That's it. You've successfully opted out of Meta AI on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.